Straight line winds on its way. Why are we coming inside? They've never gone off for straight line winds. Well, they have, but it's rare. I'll go get the dogs. We gotta get the dogs. Like now. Holy. The sirens haven't gone off in years for straight line winds like that. Sandy, get over here! Apparently there's supposed to be bad winds. It's going to be like that.
Funnel cloud by Pontiac RV.
Oh, is that what they said? Let me grab my cell phone. Where's my... Seriously? No wonder. Funnel cloud reported at Pontiac, Illinois RV. Tornado warning, I don't know. There's a funnel cloud at Pontiac RV.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
We going? Are we going? Where are you going?